So many women that unfortunately violate the sin of immodesty are afraid of other people. Sometimes they're afraid that if they don't walk around half naked, or at least look like they're naked because their clothes are so tight, you can't tell whether she's naked or she's actually wearing clothes. Because she's afraid that if she doesn't look that way, she won't find a shidduch. She'll stay single forever. Well, Sarah Imenu, she found a shidduch. Rivka found a shidduch. Rachel, Leah, they found shidduchim. Chana found a shidduch. All the tzadikot find shidduchim. All the tzadikot. They find shidduchim. I never heard of one woman that's smart she didn't find a shidduch. It may not happen when you wanted it, but it happened in the end. Why? Hashem takes care of his people. So what's really missing? The shidduch is not missing. The bitachon is missing. The bitachon that Hashem is going to pay the righteous what they deserve. The bitachon that Hashem pays his employees well. If you are having a tough time, that's because you don't have bitachon. Which means that even if you're doing the right thing, but you're struggling with it, like I get at least a half a dozen messages a week from different women around the world, tell me, listen, I'm doing everything you're saying. I'm modest, I have the kisurosh, I have this, I'm doing everything, but I still don't have this, I still don't have that. What does that mean? The answer is very simple. It means you're doing everything right, but you don't have any bitachon when you're doing it. You're struggling, meaning that you really have a doubt in what you're doing. And Hashem is not going to pay you while you have a doubt in what you're doing. Where do we know this from? Am Yisrael got the Yam Suf. Am Yisrael got the Yam Suf. What happened? Hashem didn't split the ocean. He didn't split the ocean. Nothing happened. They all started crying. Some said, okay, let's commit suicide. The other one says, let's go to war and commit suicide. At least we die fighting. Moshe Rabbeinu screams to Hashem. Hashem says, Mati tzak elai. What are you screaming to me for? Move forward. What move forward? Show me your bitachon. Show me you believe in me. Don't tell me you believe in me. Show me something. And only until Nachshon ben Aminadav went into the ocean and showed that he believes in Hashem, that Hashem actually split the ocean. Meaning, Hashem requires us to do what he says, but do it with 100% confidence. Not every time you're putting on the skirt, or you're putting on this, or you're putting on, it's like, this again. And you still have the mini skirts from the old times in your closet, still looking as like, maybe one day I'll get back to you. You're 1 foot in, 1 foot out. You know, like you just started dating the guy, but he still has his ex-girlfriend's phone number in his phone. That's what Hashem feels like with you. He feels like we're getting together, but you still have your boyfriend's phone number in your phone. You still have the mini skirt and the high heels in your closet. Why? If you really have bitachon in what you're doing and you want to really connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, why do you still have all that garbage? Why do you still have Amalek inside your house? There's a mitzvah we have for Purim. Destroy Amalek. Years ago, my wife tells me a chidush. She says, honey, I'm going to destroy everything I have. I said, honey, this costs a lot of money. She says, perfect. She says, why? She said, I'm destroying Amalek. She says, that's my Amalek. I'm not wearing it. But I thought to myself, I didn't even know she kept it. But she says, I'm not wearing it. I'm never going to wear it. But I always thought, I look at it and I say, oh, you know, this heel, $1,000 heels. Maybe one day I'll wear it. This suit, this, that. It's nice. It's nice stuff. First of all, it's really expensive. Second of all, it's like it was nice stuff. In the old days, nice stuff to go to Gehenom with. But nice stuff. And you have it in a closet. You have a whole closet of clothes you don't wear. And a whole closet of stuff that you're starting to wear. But you keep it. Why? Because it's nice stuff. She tells me, honey, this is Amalek for me. I'm fulfilling the mitzvah of destroying Amalek. I can tell you, after she destroyed Amalek, many miracles happened. Why? That's what Hashem wants from us. He doesn't just want you to fulfill the mitzvah, put some modest clothes on. He wants you to walk around proudly as a Bat Israel. I am proud to look modest. I'm proud to be modest. Not by showing your picture of your modest clothes on the internet. That's not proud. That's not pride. That's ego. Two different things. Proud means for yourself, for your husband, for your future husband. Between you and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Not all of these women that take a picture of themselves 17 times a day and put it on the internet. Because even if you're wearing modest clothes, it's not modest to put your pictures on the internet. So if you're going to do it right.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new Bezrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Kol tu b'chava tzlacha.